flowers, Luca. Nice flowers, baby. Good job, Maddie. Mm-hmm. Good color. Good job. Let's put some stems on these guys. Look, hold this one. Go like this. Look. Ooh. Ooh. Nice. Let's put some of these.
I'm taking a picture of me.
Yeah, I'm making a video. Is that okay?
Yeah.
There we go. That's a nice one.
Okay, let's see it.
Good
Show
job,
me
Maddie.
your work, Maddie. Show me what you have there.
A bunny.
Like this.
Hold it up. Oh, looks good. Alright, you show me what you have, Luca. Oh, that looks super.
Yeah, just careful. It's wet, it's wet, it's wet. Let's.
Okay.